Are you struggling with drum fills? So you've practiced lots of drum fills, but it's not getting any easier, is it? Today I'm going to show you a simple exercise to get more control of your fills, whether you're a beginning drummer or a more advanced drummer. If you're new to this channel, I'm a former U.S. Army drummer and now play professionally in the Kansas City area. Okay, so you've practiced some drum fills, so what's next? Once you have some basic control over fills, you need to practice improvising with those fills so they flow smoothly into the beats that you play. And I'm going to show you a simple exercise that you can work on that'll help you with that. And speaking of beats, if you're brand new to the drums, I have something that will really help you. I have a list of 10 essential drum beats that all drummers need to know that I'd like to send you absolutely free. It also comes with an exclusive video demonstrating all the beats. Again, all free. Just follow the link in the video or in the comments below. Okay, so here's the exercise. We're going to play one measure of rock beat followed by a one measure fill over and over. And we're going to start with something really simple. So we're going to start with eighth notes on the snare drum. So here's what you want to do. You want to stay at the same tempo for a while. It's best to practice with a metronome. Get the beat going just like we did, and you can play that same fill over and over on the snare drum if you want. And then eventually what you're going to do is you're going to start moving those eighth notes around the set. Some of them can be on the toms, some of them can be on the bass drum, etc. The idea here is to keep going though. Don't stop. Keep the flow going. If you make a mistake, it's okay. Just come right back to where you left off. I'll demonstrate for you. So after you've done this with eighth notes, try this with other fills that you've learned. Try some 16th notes, for instance. Work on those for a while the same way. Then combine some eighth notes and 16th notes. Mix them up all different ways, but again, don't stop. Keep the beat going all the time. I'm going to play some 16th note fills, then I'm going to combine some eighth notes with some 16th notes. Work on one tempo, one speed until you're comfortable. Then try it at different speeds. I'm going to demonstrate a little bit faster for you here. If you're a more advanced player, you can use the same idea to work more advanced fills into your playing. And you can also practice the same way with other drum beats. And speaking of drum beats, again, be sure to download my free guide to 10 essential drum beats that I mentioned earlier. I have another video called 8 Rock Fills for Beginning Drummers that I know will also help you. Please watch that one next, and I'll see you next time.